The 5th Regional Community Defense Group Reserve Command, Philippine Army proudly marked its first participation in the 4th Philippine Army Philippine Air Force Interoperability Exercise held on September 22 to 26, 2025 in Legazpi City, Albay. A total of 60 reservists from the 504 Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion took part in the exercise. They played key roles across multiple phases, supporting emergency and displaced civilian operations during interagency missions, providing vital medical support in the sustainment phase, and serving as ground-forward observers in the fires phase to synchronize air and ground maneuvers. Their active involvement underscored the vital role of reservists in enhancing Army-Air Force interoperability for both combat readiness and humanitarian missions.
Papasalamat ako na nagkaigwa kita digiti interoperability between the Philippine Army and the Air Force. Lahat ng iba pang mga reserve force ng Albay, magkaroon sila ng opportunity to join with the regular force interactions between the regular and the reserve force of the Albay.
Maganda ang pamamalakad, pamamaraan at importante yung objective nitong ginawang exercises. Tulungan ng bawat sektor, ng bawat unit, naging matagumpay ang exercises na ito.